in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hancock County in southern Mississippi until 3:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:53 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Burlington, or 8 miles southwest of Wadeland, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bay St. Louis, Waveland, and Shoreline Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Hancock, Mississippi. Until 3:50 a.m. Central Daylight.